Ever pondered the realm of the incredibly small? The world of atoms, molecules, and particles that are so tiny they're measured in nanometers? Welcome to the fascinating world of nanotechnology, a rapidly advancing field that's revolutionizing industries and holds the potential to greatly impact our future. Nanotechnology involves the understanding and manipulation of matter at the nanoscale, typically between 1 and 100 nanometers. To put this into perspective, a nanometer is 1/1000th of a meter. It's the world of the incredibly small, yet it holds enormous potential. The concept of nanotechnology was first introduced by physicist Richard Feynman back in 1959, but it wasn't until 1974 that the term nanotechnology was coined by Norio Taniguchi. The field gained momentum during the 1980s with the invention of the scanning tunneling microscope and the discovery of fullerenes, also known as buckyballs, molecules composed entirely of carbon. Fast forward to the early 2000s, nanotechnology started to draw scientific, political, and commercial attention. Governments around the world began investing in nanotechnology research, and roadmaps were developed to outline the goals and applications of this emerging field. What's fascinating about nanotechnology is its wide-ranging applications. In the realm of material science, nanoparticles serve as building blocks to create stronger, lighter, and even self-healing materials. In the construction industry, nanotechnology is paving the way for more durable and sustainable materials. In healthcare, nanoparticles are making waves in the field of nanomedicine. They're being used for targeted drug delivery, specifically in cancer treatments, reducing side effects and increasing the efficacy of the treatment. Imagine tiny nanobots navigating the human body, delivering drugs with pinpoint accuracy. But it doesn't stop there. Nanotechnology is also making strides in the world of electronics. With the ability to manipulate matter at the atomic level, new possibilities open up for creating smaller, faster, and more energy-efficient devices. However, with great potential comes great responsibility. Concerns have been raised about the toxicity and environmental impact of nanomaterials. As we continue to explore this tiny frontier, it's crucial that we consider these potential implications and work towards sustainable and safe applications of nanotechnology. In summary, nanotechnology is a rapidly advancing field that operates at the molecular scale. Its wide-ranging applications span across industries from construction and healthcare to electronics. The potential of nanotechnology is immense, but it's equally important to consider its potential implications on health and the environment. As we step into the future, nanotechnology promises to be a key player in shaping our world,